Between 2000,
Can we have your name and the newspaper you represent?
yeah, I'm Arifa from the Hindustan Times. Between 2008 and till now, how many times have you visited the UK? And also, the YouTube video was attributed to 2006, but you're saying it was in 1998 before 9/11. But in 1998, you were aware and you were talking about Osama bin Laden and his activities. I mean, I don't know how many people were aware of Osama bin Laden's activities in 1998.
Since I got the visa 2008, and how many times I have traveled? I have traveled twice. Once in 2008 and once in 2009. And a couple of days back, I was supposed to travel the third time. As far as the second question is concerned, was I aware about Osama bin Laden in 1998? Believe me, not as much as I'm aware now. The name had just appeared. And as a general, if you hear, a Muslim should not malign anyone without, because the Quran says in Surah Hujurat, chapter 49, verse number 6, whenever you get information, check it up before passing on third person. So when a Muslim condemned me, I said, you cannot condemn anyone without proof. That's the reason I said, I don't know him. I don't know whether he's responsible. I don't say he's good or whether he's bad. But naturally, I did not know him. Now, also I don't know him. But the media has given me information, which again, whether right or wrong is to be discussed later on. But I do agree with you that it was 1998. So you cannot attribute this statement of mine to the 9/11, which took place 3 years back.
All the extracts are pre-July 2008. You must note that.
Yes.